Okay, this is the first time I've actually had Emma and her grandparents out together. I want to see if there's any beef between these guys, and whether Kevin is viewing her as a threat to his territory or not. Seems to be a little bit noticing of that she's here. And she's just too fluffy and cute. I'd be terrible if I had to like hunt these kind of birds down. I wouldn't be able to do it. Oh, and she's gone into the cage to protect herself a little bit. Standing her ground. Oh, no. Oh, she's coming out. She's seeing an adult and she's thinking, can this adult feed me? I don't recognize this adult. This is the adult that's behind that cage door. My grandfather? Don't worry, sweetie. If he comes and attacks you, I'll stop him. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oops, she's missed it. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.